morning, not a bad morning. Today we're starting our journey at South Hetton, just by Ray Lonsdale's last tub sculpture. It commemorates all the miners that worked in the area back in the day. Yeah, so today we're going to have a ride down to Seaton Carew, which is a small seaside town just outside of Hart. We're going to have a slow ride down there, and we'll take in the views on the way. So let's go onward, and I'll see you in a bit.
In a pile of coal, I've been reckless and ragged, I've been running to the ground. I've been lost for so long, I forgot I could be found. I've been holding my breath for the axe to come down. I've been searching for angels in the devil's town. I've been searching for angels in the devil's town. Searching for a heart to love, it's like staring at the stars above. And there's a million I can see, but only one that shines for me. So I keep searching for a heart to love. Oh, to love. Well, I've been dancing blindly, I've been preaching to the choir. And the boy who cried wolf, I dispute that I'm alive. Well, when I left my frying pan to jump into the fire, I built my house on the sand and I'll keep on building it higher. I built my house on the sand and I'll keep on building it higher. Searching for a heart to love, it's like staring at the stars above. You can't teach a heart to feel what isn't there and isn't real. So I keep searching for a heart to love. Well, I keep searching, I'll keep searching. Yeah, I keep searching, I'll keep searching, love. Yeah, I keep searching.
Right, made it down to Hartlepool Marina. The sun's made a pavement, which is good. And behind us you can see the Wingfield Castle. It's an old paddle steamer, and behind that in the Naval Museum it's a Tran-Camberley Lee. I think I've pronounced that properly. If I haven't, well, I haven't. So from here we'll be heading down towards the Promenade Marina, and there's a promenade that runs all the way to Seaton Carew, which is like maybe a mile or something to go, and it's a nice ride. You've got the sea on your left hand side, you go down, really nice. So Seaton Carew, it's a bit of a nostalgia trip really. It's something we did when we were kids, something I've done with my kids. My dad used to work 6 days a week, and Sunday was a ride out. It was a special occasion. So yeah, we would jump in the back of his Ford Granada, mum, dad in the front, two grandmas, my sister in the middle, two boys in the back. And if we do that these days, we'd probably get locked up. But it was great, it was a treat, you know. And the town itself, it's not changed much at all over the years. It's, you know, a traditional seaside town. So we'll get back on the bike and we'll get over it.
Why can't I change after all these years? Why can't I change my ways? I find it so strange. After all these years, I'm still more or less the same. Wherever I go, whatever I do, whatever I know, it just comes and goes so soon. song it sings. I'm still whistling the same old tune. Why can't I change after all these years? Why can't I change my ways? I find it so strange. After all these years, I'm still more or less the same. Whoever I'm with, whatever I take, whatever I give, I'm still running in the same old race. Whatever choice I make, whatever road I take, well, I still wind up in the same old place. So why can't I change? Why can't I change? After all these years, why can't I change my ways? Why can't I change? Oh, I find it so strange that after all these years, I'm still more or less the same. I'm more or less the same.
So that's our ride to Seaton Carew done. It's been a canny ride down. I think the Haswell to Hart line is probably one of my favourite rides, to be honest with you. Seaton Carew, it's not really changed over the years. I think some of the ice cream shops have turned into smoothie shops, but apart from that, it's the same seaside town I used to village when I was a lad. So yeah, if you like the videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.